Donald Trump's comments about topless photos of the Princess of Wales taken in 2012 outraged Prince William and King Charles, a new book claims. The business mogul took to Twitter after images of the then Duchess of Cambridge were published in the French magazine Closer in 2012. Mr. Trump tweeted, "Kate Middleton is great, but she shouldn't be sunbathing in the nude, only herself to blame. Who wouldn't take Kate's picture and make lots of money if she does the nude sunbathing thing? Come on, Kate." According to Newsweek, Christopher Anderson's upcoming biography The King, The Life of Charles III reveals that the tweet sparked torrents of profanity from Charles, William, and Harry. Mr. Anderson wrote, Trump's criticism of Kate resulted in what one Clarence House butler referred to as torrents of profanity from both Prince Charles and his sons. Kate and William were granted £91,000 in damages in 2017 over publication of the pictures. Follow below for live updates.